Hey, it's Jacob from the Sustainably Yours Homestead, and I'm about to unload a bunch of cool stuff that I picked up off the side of the road. Back when we lived in town, if we needed to get rid of something, it was really easy. You just set it out to the curb and somebody would pick it up. And if they didn't, eventually the city would. From old furniture to broken down appliances and even yard waste. It didn't matter, you just set it out there and eventually it'd be gone. And back then I really didn't understand how wasteful we were being. But now that we've moved out here and we've kind of changed our living perspective a little bit, man, we were throwing out a bunch of good stuff. Now this may not look like much to you, but for me, this was some curbside gold. I've got this little Minecraft style raised garden bed that I built out of free pallets, and I'm gonna have to fill it up with dirt. But the problem is, this one is just the first of many. I plan on putting a whole bunch of these things out into my pasture. And to fill all of those up with just soil, man, that would cost me buku bucks. So instead, we're gonna be using lots of filler material. Organic filler material. That's right, we're gonna fill these things hugel style. But even if you're not trying to fill a garden bed, for a homesteader, this kind of material is really useful. A lot of this stuff could be burned into charcoal and then used in the garden bed or used to smoke meats or something like that. And there were some big chunks that I picked up too that once seasoned, you could probably use for some really good firewood. Unfortunately, we don't have a fireplace. We are tossing around the idea of replacing our range stove with a wood-burning cook stove. I don't know, we'll see about that. So for me, all of this stuff, even the big chunky stuff, is just gonna go into the hugel mound. But I'm not gonna have time to get all of it done this evening, so I'm just gonna unload all of this stuff out onto the ground. I may stop and get some more tomorrow on the way home. I'll definitely be able to use as much as I can get my hands on. I picked this up driving around my old neighborhood. So yeah, you should definitely think twice next time before you just throw stuff out to the curb. You may be able to find a better use for it in your garden. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If so, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. And if you're interested in seeing more from the Sustainably Yours Homestead, be sure to ring that notification bell so you'll know when to be back for more daily, sustainable living.